Cristiano Ronaldo's impactful journey with Al Nassr, key highlights. 1. Ronaldo has brought immense talent and experience, significantly elevating Al Nassr's performance on the field. 2. His exceptional statistics include over 30 goals in his first season, showcasing his scoring prowess. 3. Ronaldo's leadership has inspired teammates, fostering a winning mentality throughout the squad. 4. Al Nassr aims to become a dominant force in Asian football by 2025, with Ronaldo as a key figure. 5. His presence has transformed football culture in the region, inspiring young players across Saudi Arabia. Stay tuned for more updates on Ronaldo and Al Nassr.